Hello, welcome to Tech Channel. In our last session, we discussed about the process through which we can create the binding directory and we add the elements in that. Okay, and also we see few commands like crtbndddir, addbndddir, e, and dspbndddir. So in this session, we will discuss one more command that is work binding directory. Okay, so let's go through that process like how we use this command. So for that you have to write work bnd dir and then take f4, then you will get this string. So if you remember, like in previous session we create one binding directory named as Sharmit bnd. So we will see it again. So dsp bnd dir, then take f4, and this is my binding directory name that I have created in previous session. It is in Sharmit 1 library. So these are the modules that we have in this binding directory. Now suppose if I want to change some modules in this, let's say if I don't want to use this mod 1 in my binding directory, then how we will remove it? So to remove it, we can use this command work bnd dir and take f4, work bnd dir and take f4. Here you have to specify your binding directory name. So in our case it is Sharmit BND, and you have to write your library name. So once you hit enter, it will provide you all the options that we can perform on this binding directory. Like here you can see these options: create, delete, display, work with binding directory entries. If you want to do some changes in entries that we have already performed, so you can take option this and then change description. So these are the options that we can use. From here also we can directly add or create the new binding directory. So firstly we will try to change some entries. So here you can take option 9, and once you take option 9, then it will show you this screen where you can add the modules as well as remove the module. So let's say if I want to remove this module, so what I will do, I will just press 4 and hit enter. So it will ask for the confirmation, and if I hit enter again, so now my module is removed from this entries. Okay, and in similar way if I want to add it again, so what I will do, I will take option 1, then mod 1, and which is star module, and it is in library Sharmit 1, and just hit enter. So it is now added. Okay, so you can see that we have added this. So that's how we can make use of this command for adding or for removing the binding directory entries. Now we will see one more thing, like how we can create this. So either you can go with that crtbndddir command, or you can go this with this command work bndddir, then take f4, BNDDIR, then take a 4, then put any name through which you want to create the new binding directory. So let's create it with new BND. Then press enter your library name, that is Sharmit 1, and hit enter. Now on this screen you can take option 1 to create that. Here we can put the name again, new BND, and here you have to put the library name and just hit enter. So once you hit enter, it will take you to the same command, that is crtbnddr, and if I hit enter again, so now it is created. So here you can see that binding directory new bnd is created in library Sharmit 1. And if I press F5, so it will show me this here for perform the operation, for adding the modules in it, to adding the sub procedures or service program here. Okay, so this is very useful command, because if you want to play with the binding directory concept, then you have to use this command. And here if you want to change or add some description here, so you can put it here, like this is test in the dir. So in that way you can put the description also for your binding directory that you have created. And if you want to display it, then you can take option 5 here, so it will show you the things that is related to the new BND. Right now we don't have any entries in it, so it is showing that it has a plan. Otherwise you can see it, like if we check it for the BND DIR, then F4, BND DIR, F4, then you can put Sharmit BND because it contains some modules. So I will take option 5 here. So once you take option 5, it will show you the screen that we got from previously. We see that using DSP PGM also we are getting the same screen. So through that option you can also take option 5 to display the binding directory information. Okay, so this is all about the work binding directory command. So and it is very useful because if you are working with the binding directories, then you can use this command for creating, for modifying, and for deleting the binding directory entries as well as binding directory. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching. Tech Show.